Hey guys, so it's been about 2 or 3 days since the roof painting, and I didn't really record a lot, honestly. Well, I mean, I didn't record at all, quite honestly. But thanks to my girlfriend, we did mask off the entire car, literally the night of New Year's. Like, for the last 2 hours of 2017, we were masking off this car, celebrated for a minute with our dog, and then for the first hour of 2018 we continued, and so you can see we masked off everything. I didn't take off the trim or anything because it's a bit too complex currently to be doing it. If this car could be like sitting in the garage for like months, I would, but I can't because I have to use it. There's a lot of overspray. I didn't realize how bad the blue was, but yeah, I taped off everything. The taillights. She helped me take the little lip wing off. I won't be putting it back on because I am doing, the wing like the one in the video game had, where the mounts are basically almost centered. So yeah, I decided with a big giant spoiler, it's not really gonna need any lip thing. I think it looks cleaner, and I did debadge it. That is for paint. Don't think I'll be putting back on the M badge. And if I am, chances are I'll buy a new one because it's faded, and so is the BMW badge. But this is where we stand. The rear bumper is currently off because of that's going to be blue, because as you know, the livery right there comes up, and right there, and everything here is like blue. But first I spray it all silver, but there's no point of the bumper being silver because it's fully blue, just like the roof. So there's no point of painting blue over silver. It's just a waste of silver. So yeah, I have sanded down a lot of the body. Still have to do both quarter panels and more of the rear trunk. The lid is done. The door. I had a ding right here. It was super tiny, like 2 dings right there. It looks like it was from a door, and I fixed it. And then there's a pretty bad one here that I fixed just with some Bondo. They're very light, so it's pretty easy to do. The hood's been a pretty big wreck. The vent fell out because I leaned on it too much, but I figured out how to make the vents stay in, and basically from the back where it touches the fiberglass, I'm just going to use Bondo glass and resin to make it stay. That's my plan. But that one was already weak and I leaned on it with my hand, so it was my fault, but it doesn't really matter. I'll put it in for paint just because they're all taped off, just so paint doesn't get in the engine bay. My dog's in the garage for some reason. Don't sniff that, it's dust. Just trying to catch you guys up. I did start sanding down the fenders. I did have some super minor imperfections when I finally painted this white, so I did fix those with Bondo. This whole front, this paint basically got like ruined, so I kind of Bondoed a little bit. Like, we're talking like super thin amounts. And there, where the cracking was, I sanded that down and had to Bondo into tiny cracks. Here too, fixed this fender imperfections. I fixed the cracks in the side skirt that was there. Yeah, the rear flare I haven't touched, and I've realized both the rear flares can actually move up a little bit, but I think I'm gonna spray it silver first, and then I'll do the flares, because like I said, from about here on is all blue, so it's okay if I do something with the flares, because I think I'll be riveting them in instead of using these screws. For now, I'm just gonna finish off sanding. The hood is all at like 100 grit, so I need to bring it all the way up to 600 grit. And I need to lightly sand the front bumper, because I've never even touched the front bumper at all with sanding or Bondoing, so I do need to find little imperfections in the fiberglass and sand them down. And I already have cardboard there. So my goal basically is just to spray the silver today. That's my goal. That's what I'm hoping to accomplish. Not trying to rush. If it happens that I really can't do it for some odd reason because of bodywork, I won't. I'd rather have a better product and it take longer than rush. But that is my personal goal for today. And the car is painted. So as I was about to start doing my little time lapses for the painting, my girlfriend informed me that the the battery was low, and I got the spare battery, which is always full, but it's not full this time. So yeah, here's this little clip of me spraying. So yeah, so I did it. You can still see the outline of where the tape line used to be, the difference in the material. I didn't bother sanding down all the way because regardless I was gonna redo it. So if anything it helps because I know that line is symmetrical. It gives me a line to follow when I tape it. And luckily most of the issues I had with painting were in spots that are going to be blue, so I have a chance to fix them. Because as you can see, there was a little bit of chemical reaction there. I have no idea why. And this is like weird because it's all smooth, but it's like metallic, and I don't know. I don't understand metallic. Bumper came out pretty mint. Here, let me shine a light to this thing because then you can actually see the flake in it. You can see how nice that is. I really do like it. It came out pretty good. Just the fender. I had a little bit more things here for whatever reason, but once again it's going to be blue. Mirror is like perfect. This is all perfect. It's all extremely smooth. Pretty minimal orange peel once again. It gets dark a little bit here. Let me turn on the flashlight again. I like my slippers. It's my girlfriend's. But yeah, I did do the wetting the floor. I literally took a bucket and poured water down all around. I used a spritzer bottle to spray everything around here. And did that, and it did keep dust pretty minimum because there really is, if you run your finger along this, there really is no dust. There's a slight weird thing here from the fender, on the fender flare, but luckily this entire back section right here will be blue, as I said before, so we're good on that. The trunk lid and the rear quarters came out super good, but sadly this is all going to be blue except the center of the trunk, which is really annoying, but I mean, whatever, it happens. But yep, that's the paint job. Silver was kind of harder to spray, or I don't know if it was actually harder or it was just more difficult because there was the entire car to spray instead of just a teeny bit of roof. But regardless, I am happy with the results. You know, it's not perfect as always, but I really don't mind it. So yeah, it's going to be this video, leaving tomorrow morning on a 10-day cruise with my grandma, and then when I get home I have like a day period where I have until we, like I said, me and my girlfriend leave for Disneyland, there's a world, whatever, the one in Florida. So yeah, I had the heater running. It shows it's a solid 48 degrees in here. It's pretty warm. The fumes are horrible. So from this thing I had to pop open the garage and it's like 15 degrees outside just to let the fumes escape. Yeah guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be making a video in like a month. Not a month, in like 2 weeks I'd say. Of me maybe taping off the livery and spraying the blue because that is really the final stage. And good news, I found a wing that I love. It's $1,900, but it's a legit race wing and it's exactly what I want. Exactly like from the game. So yeah. Have a great day, have a great night, whatever. Like, subscribe, share, blah blah blah.